we're given a formula for the function x squared minus 2x over x squared minus x minus 2, and we're taking the limit as x approaches 2. And now, instead of actually drawing a picture of this function, they're suggesting trying to type in some value. And so they give us a list of numbers, and some things that I notice about this list of numbers, if I write this down as maybe my x value, the first row of numbers are x values that, as I read from left to right, 2.5, 2.1, 2.05, and a couple more that are just slightly larger than 2. 2.01, 2.005, and etc. These x values are approaching a value of 2, and they're approaching a value of 2 from the larger side, in other words, from the right side. And so if we can make a chart here and have the x value and then have a specific y value on the right side, we can see what's happening with these y values. Now, did you end up writing down any of these numbers?
Yeah.
Okay. So we listed those.
I just did 2.001.
Okay. All right. And what did you come up with when you looked at 2.001?
Such a jerk.
Okay. Did anybody calculate out any of the y values for the other value? Any of the other?
2.005 is 0.667221.
Okay. What about for 2.01?
2.05 is 0.67213.
0.67.
2131.
213. Okay, so let's take a look at these values here. Do you have another one for me?
2.5 is 0.714286.
Okay, so we've got this list of x values, and the x values are approaching an x value of 2 from the left. Is that right? Or did I just go backwards? So let's see here. Here's x equal to 2. 2.5, 2.1, 2.01, 2.001. That's from the right.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so from the right, so approach x equal to 2 from the right. If we're looking at these y values, we're walking closer to x equal to 2 from the right. The y value outputs we have 0.7, then we have 0.67. If we're looking at these values, what does it look like is happening here? Yeah, it seems like these values, each time you'll notice that we have a 6 show up, and then 2 6s, then 3 6s. If you try maybe another couple of zeros in here, you might get a couple more 6s here. So it looks like these values are approaching a value of 2/3. And so this is, again, this is making a table rather than graphically, and what this is doing is it's an approximation. But the idea of it looks like these values are getting close to 2/3 tells us that the evidence indicates the limit of x squared minus 2x over x squared minus x minus 2 as x approaches 2 from the right, my superscript plus, is equal to 2/3. And as far as this goes, this is still, in theory, just an estimate because, you know, it sure looks like it's getting close to 2/3, but it's still a little bit of a guess. And we would do the same thing from the left side. We can make a similar chart and see what happens to these y values.